How to contact Gopuff customer service. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can contact Gopuff's customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. How to contact Gopuff customer service. If you want to contact Gopuff customer service, open your browser and type in Gopuff customer service. You'll find the first contact us link from Gopuff. Tap on that contact us link. It's going to take a few seconds to do this verification captcha process. Once it's done, you can say contact us via our customer help center at help.gopuff.com. So tap on this help.gopuff.com link, which will take you over here. And here you can look for any inquiries that you're facing. But if maybe your problem is not getting solved, right? So let's say I go to feedback and questions. Here, if your problems are getting solved within this, you'll be able to basically contact them. But if not, it will ask, was this page helpful? Select no. And please let us know how we can make this better. Tap on send feedback and so on. And you'll be able to find the customer service over here. So unfortunately, they do not actually give out their phone numbers, but we can simply fill out a form depending upon whatever else it is that we're looking for. And only we will be able to basically contact the customer service over here. So this way we can contact Gopuff customer service. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.